Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your battery percentage. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the menu bar. As you can see, it has a menu bar, and after going to the menu bar, as you can see, the battery icon is here. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see your battery percentage here, like it's now 83 percentage. So in this way you can check out your battery percentage. If you want to check out the battery details, more battery details, you can also do that. So let's see how we can do that. We have to click on this Apple logo, and after clicking on this, as you can see, it has an option for the system preferences. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the menu will be open like this. So simply we need to go to the battery section. As you can see, it has a battery icon. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will be able to see all your battery level and screen on usage. And if you want to see the battery details or the battery settings, some other settings are also provided here. You can check them, and power adapter setting and schedule setting, and the current level is also mentioned here. Last charged was on 89, and the time is also added here. So in this way you can check out all the battery details and the battery percentage as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.